She said, oh, hi, nice to meet you tonight. Maybe we could go dance, get up off our feet. She said, this life ain't forever one, so I'm here together, then let's play it on repeat.